The future is shaped quietly. We often imagine our future selves arriving in a sudden, dramatic moment of transformation, a grand event that changes everything. But the truth is far more subtle and far more profound. The person you will be in 5 years, 10 years, is not being forged in a single, fiery event. They are being gently, almost imperceptibly, sculpted in the silent, ordinary moments of today. Many of our future emotional realities are built by the simple, repeatable habits of our present. Think of it as a form of quiet architecture. Each small, intentional act is a brick laid in the foundation of your future peace. The resilience you'll need for a future challenge isn't summoned from thin air. It's cultivated in the discipline of showing up for yourself today, in small, manageable ways. The contentment you'll feel on a future afternoon is the harvest of seeds of mindfulness planted now. Every small choice carries future weight. In a world that constantly screams for our attention, the most rebellious and nurturing act is to choose stillness, to put the phone face down, to let the endless scroll of anxieties and comparisons drift by, unanswered. This isn't an act of ignorance, but one of profound wisdom. It's the conscious decision to curate your inner world, to decide what you allow to grow there. This is where the work is done, not in the frantic hustle, but in the inner pause. It's the 5 minutes of silence before the day begins, the chapter of a book read instead of checking emails, the walk taken without headphones, simply observing the world. These are not empty moments. They are deeply productive. They are the spaces where we untangle our thoughts, process our feelings, and reconnect with our quiet center. So, choose one peaceful moment. Just one. It doesn't need to be perfect. Let it be rapidly simple, wonderfully gentle. Maybe it's the secret of joy of seeing. And that is how a peaceful future is truly born.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.